Hi everyone, this is Nagin, and I am here today to talk to you about my favorite oil and why. Um, that's a really hard choice to make because I use so many of my oils every day and I have all different reasons why I love them. But I'm going to talk to you guys today about one of my favorites. That's the one that actually brought me to using doTERRA oils exclusively. I've been using essential oils for about 12 years and exclusively doTERRA for the last 4. And the oil that turned me over to them was Breathe. Breathe is a blend of 7 different essential oils. It's laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, and ravensara. And these 7 oils blended together create just a really amazing, very potent, very powerful blend that helps give you free and easy breathing. The laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, all of these things really open your airways. Lemon is a cleanser, so when you're having issues with your respiratory system, with seasonal allergies, you're having mucus or just congestion in your sinuses, things like lemon and the cardamom, really good for cough or so. So these oils all blended together really helped complete a good respiratory system relief. And this oil can be used topically or aromatically, so you can just take a drop and rub it on your chest, on your back, on the bottoms of your feet, put a drop in your hand and just breathe it in. I use this oil every single night in my blend for bed. There is some snoring in my bedroom, and I wish I could say it was my husband's fault, but it's actually mine. So this Breathe has really helped open up my airways and lessen my snoring and driving my husband crazy. But one of the reasons that I really love this oil is because of my son. I live in Austin, Texas, and here we have just about every allergen in Central Texas that there is. Ragweed, cedar, pollen, mold, you name it, we have it here. My son was immediately affected by almost all of these allergens, and so from a very young age has had a lot of issues with breathing and his sinus cavities. And when he was really young, felt like there was very little we could do for him to help him breathe more freely, especially at night. And Breathe really saved us. I started putting it in the diffuser at night for him and just saw an immediate response to his freedom of breathing and just getting a more restful sleep. Breathe also comes in a few other forms. You can get it in the roller ball, which is already pre-diluted, which is great for kids. So Silas, my son, has one of these. He keeps it in his bedroom, and then he can just roll it on his chest or the bottom of his feet anytime he feels like he needs a little help to breathe a little freer and easier. It also comes in these awesome lozenges, so you can take them when you travel, and suck on them anytime you're having any respiratory issues. So these are great for on the road, or I keep a few in my purse all the time, and they taste really great too. And then Breathe also comes in a vapor rub, which is really, really good for little ones too. It's kind of your replacement for your Vicks. So it's in a rub form, and you can put that on the bottom of the feet or on the child's back. Of course, it's good for you as well too. So that's another form of Breathe that is really easy to carry on you and portable and easy to use. So one thing I'll say is that one of the things that I love most about doTERRA is their blends. They just have really intelligently put together amazing blended oils for us to use, and Breathe really kind of tops the mark for that with me. I feel like anytime there's anything going on and I use a little Breathe, even just feeling a little low energy, I feel like just being able to take a deep breath wakes me up, helps with my mental focus. helps me kind of connect myself between my emotions and my physical body. So the freer I can breathe, the more in balance I become in general and overall, mentally, physically, and emotionally. So I use this blend even sometimes when I'm feeling a little anxious, or I just feel like I don't have control over my breath. And I put this on, it kind of calms me and helps me take that deeper breath and slow down a little bit. So I feel like even on an emotional level, this oil can be really, really useful. And breath is such a connection for us, for our emotional body as well. So this is really why this oil is my favorite, doTERRA oil. And I wanted to offer today as a little extra treat for our Wellness Wednesday for everyone who would like to post what their favorite oil is and why. And at the end of the day, I'll enter all of your names into a hat and draw one, and I'll send you the Breathe Vapor Rub. So please join in, post what you love, what oil you love, and maybe just a little description of why you love it so much. And I'll give you guys until 10 o'clock tonight, Central Standard Time, and then I'll pick a winner, and you'll get my favorite oil in the Vapor Rub. Also, while I've got you guys here, I wanted to tell you, while we're talking about blends, that I found out yesterday. So convention for doTERRA is coming up at the end of September, and that's always a really exciting time because there's so much information that's shared at convention, science, and just what doTERRA is doing across the globe, working with their farmers and their projects to help benefit people in the countries that they're growing these plants in, and it's just it's an amazing event. But they also always release the new oils for the year, and there are 6 new blends coming out at the end of September. So yay! Very excited because, like I said, the blends are some of my favorite things about doTERRA, the way they blend their oils. And so there are 6 new ones coming to us that we'll find out of at the end of September. So stay tuned for that as well. And post any questions that you guys have, and then make sure you enter my little contest today to win. So hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll see you soon. Bye.